Welcome to a Purple Chips tutorial webinar. I'm John Schwingheimer, the author of Purple Chips, published by John Wiley & Sons and available everywhere. Our webinar today is about using the website charting feature. I'll start by going to the purplechips.com website. When you open the website, the first thing that you do is you land on the home page. The home page has the top picks. If you want to access the charting feature, you go to the Members section. So you click on Members. Then the top 25, if we want to find a stock in top 25. The example I will use is Stryker Corp. I scroll down to Stryker, click on Stryker, and then what I see here, I've got basically two things. There is the stock price, which is in purple. The last sale is in the dark purple. And then you've got the high and the low. And as you scroll, you can see the date and the corresponding prices. The yellow line is the earnings per share over the same period. In this case, we've got a 20-year chart for Stryker. And on the left side of the graph, you've got the trailing 12 months earnings per share scale, which goes with the yellow. So in fact, if I was looking at this point right here, where my cursor is, it says 2007, January 1st. And so if I look at this, the trailing 12 months earnings per share at that time was $2.02, and the last sale price was $61.94. So the purple line, if you went up here, the price is equal to $61.94, and the corresponding earnings per share was back here. Now if I wanted to change it and go back to that period in time, and let's say I'll choose this point right here, 2010-04, so April 2010. I want to change the chart and see what it looks like at that time. So I go to 2010, then I choose my month, April, and I say Update Chart. And this is exactly what the chart looked like at that time. So you can see how the earnings per share line has shifted upward to match the last sale price. And if I want to know what that is, I just go here. So I've moved my cursor over to this point, and it's telling me exactly what the close was, 57.44, and the trailing 12 months earnings per share was 3.04 at the time. If I want to go back to today's chart, click on today's chart. That's what the picture looks like today. So now you can see the earnings line has shifted lower because the price has dropped since that time. If I want to get out of charting mode and go into a different stock, I click on the little X button, the close button on the bottom right-hand corner, and I go back to another stock. If I want to see what Aflac looks like, for example, click on Aflac, and I've got the chart. And so then I can change it as I wish. Close the chart, and I go back there. So that's all for today. This is a quick Purple Chips tutorial webinar on using the website charting feature. If you have any questions or feedback, we appreciate your comments. So please let us know on the website. You can email us at info@purplechips.com. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us today.